Penetration Testing Services. Comprehensive. Guide 2024. Penetration testing services, or pentesting, is a security practice where cybersecurity experts try to find and exploit vulnerabilities present in applications, networks, and other digital systems. The pen testers, aka ethical hackers, simulate real attacks on the target environment to identify security flaws in its defenses that attackers could take advantage of. Let's know some of the benefits of penetration testing services. 1. Identify security vulnerabilities before hackers do. 2. Enhance the defenses of your digital assets. 3. Comply with industry regulations. 4. Prevent data breaches and cyber attacks. 5. Build trust among your customers and shareholders. 6. Get a competitive advantage. 7. Increase your market value. 8. Maintain brand image and reputation. 9. Have peace of mind knowing your applications are safe. Next is the different types of penetration testing. There are basically 3 types: white box pentesting, black box pentesting, gray box pentesting. Now let's see what the popular tools for penetration testing are. Burp Suite, NetSparker, OWASP Zap, W3AF, SQL Map, Nikto, OpenSSL, and Metasploit. Here are the range of services provided by Qualysec Technologies. Web Application Penetration Testing, Mobile Application Penetration Testing, Cloud Penetration Testing, IoT Device Penetration Testing, API Penetration Testing, and External Network Penetration Testing. If you want a customized penetration testing service, contact us for a free consultation. We look forward to partnering with you to enhance your cybersecurity measures and help you achieve compliance.